Hello, today we will guide you through how to add payment method to Facebook ads. In this walkthrough, we'll set up a payment method so your ads can run smoothly and get billed correctly. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the correct business and that your profile has the necessary permissions to manage billing. If you don't see billing options, you may need an admin or finance role on the business account. It also helps to have your card or other payment details ready, along with the billing address exactly as it appears on your statement. Start by opening Meta Business Suite. This is the central hub for managing your pages, ad accounts, and billing. If you manage multiple businesses, confirm you're in the right one by checking the business selector at the top of the interface. Small differences in the layout are normal, but the navigation we mentioned should be available in every account. From there, go to Ads Manager. You can access it from the left-hand menu inside Business Suite. Ads Manager is where your campaigns live, but it also links directly to your financial settings. If your menu looks different, look for the Ads or Campaigns section and open the associated Tools menu. Next, open Billing and Payments. This takes you to Meta's Billing Hub, where you can view charges, payment activity, and account status. It's a good place to confirm you're looking at the correct ad account, especially if you manage more than one. You'll see tabs or options related to activity and methods. We'll focus on the methods area next. Choose the Payment Methods section. This page lists all payment options tied to this ad account, shows which one is primary, and indicates whether anything needs your attention. If you're setting up for the first time, the list may be empty. Select Add Payment Method. The choices you see can vary by country and account type, but typically include credit or debit cards and sometimes other regional options. Have your card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address ready. Enter the details exactly as your bank has them on file to avoid verification errors. You may be asked whether to make this the primary method. Enable that if you want Meta to use it by default. Finally, select the relevant ad account if prompted and follow the on-screen instructions to create and save the method. After saving, you should see your new payment method listed and marked as active. If an error appears, double-check the address and card information, or try again in a fresh browser session. That's it. Your payment method is now added, and you're ready to run ads with uninterrupted billing.